Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to use hardware encoding in Magix. So as you can see here, I'm trying to export a drone highlights video, but as you can see over here, there's no hardware encoding available and it goes really slowly. So let's try and fix that. So the problem in this case is most likely going to be that Magix wants to use the NVIDIA card for rendering, but the newer drivers of NVIDIA doesn't support hardware acceleration. So what we are now trying to do is let Magix use the Intel HD graphics which are integrated in your processor. So first we want to make sure that your Intel GPU is detected and working. So go to your device manager and look at display adapters, and as you can see, mine is working here. Intel HD graphics is being detected, properties working properly. Perfect. If yours is not displayed here, you will need to enable it in the BIOS. So the only thing left to do is set Magix to use the Intel GPU and not the NVIDIA GPU. To do that, go to your Settings tab, go to System, and under the Display tab you will see Graphics Settings. And now we want to set a new graphics performance preference. Now the only thing we need to do is choose Desktop App and now click on Browse. And now we want to find the file path for Magix to choose this as an app. So to find out easily, go to Magix in your search bar and select via right click open file location, and now we got our file path over here in the top bar, and just right click it and say copy address as text, and now you can enter it over here, and now we got the shortcut for the application. Just hit add, and now we can have some look at the options here. Go to options, and the graphics preference is set to let Windows decide on default, but we want to set it to power saving so that it uses our Intel HD graphics and not our NVIDIA card. Just hit save. So what's left to do is restart Magix and see if it works. So now let's check if that fixed the problem. Go to File and export your movie again. Just set your settings. As you can see, hardware encoding is enabled here. And now press on OK to start the export. And as you can see, hardware encoding now works and it is much faster than before. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If so, please leave a like to let me know. If you got any questions, try asking them in the comment section down below, and I will try to help you as best as possible. What's left to say is have a nice day. Bye bye.